and welcome back to my channel. I know today is not my normal posting day, as I hope to continue to make videos for you guys every Monday, but today is a very special day. Does anybody know what day it is? It's Earth Day! I've made a time-lapse video to show you guys how I created this Earth Day look. Ta-da! All that there is left to do here is put on the zipper on the side. Pin this while I'm wearing it. Let's see how it turned out. Just finished doing my hair and makeup, and this is a little preview of what the outfit looks like. If you would like to see more, check out my Instagram. I know this is not the usual project that I would go for, to just cut and glue things together, because sometimes I tend to be a perfectionist, but I've learned that if I don't just make it happen, if I don't just get it out, sometimes I end up not doing anything. So I encourage all of you guys to just make it work, make it happen. Don't wait for things to be perfect, the perfect time, the perfect condition, because sometimes that just won't come. You just have to go at it and be motivated and motivate yourself to just make it work. Try to look for ways to upcycle and recycle and help our Earth. That is what I hope all of us can do today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!